Hello everyone, my name is Deepak Kumar. In this webinar, which is organized by FuturemastersMinds, we are going to discuss about industry automation process which have been happening currently. We will also be discussing about the next 5-year trends which will change the industry working. So we are all aware that till now industry changes have been happening in ERP systems, applications and other systems. But next 5 years, this whole process is going to accelerate, and now the changes you will see which are happening in machine automation, connected devices and blockchain technology. So how this is going to affect the verticals of sales, supply chain logistics and manufacturing, we will be discussing on these parts. Also, we will be discussing about the employability change which will come up due to this change process. So many jobs which are currently there will become irrelevant, but many new changes and new jobs will be coming up. So let us join this upcoming session on the change process and next 5-year industry change process. Thank you.